Good morning, student. This is my second video for class 8th. We have already completed reading and explanation of this chapter, crop production and its management. Today we go through the book exercise and question answer of this chapter. Here is your book exercise. First question is multiple choice question. Number 1, seed are shown by broadcasting. The separating of the grain from chaff is called winnowing. The main crop of Rabi is wheat. The method of irrigation which can conserve the highest amount of water is sprinkles. The leveler is used for plugging. Just completed. Now the second one is one word question answer. Number 1, cultivating plant for human use. It's called agriculture. Factory made plant nutrients. Fertilizer. Providing water to plants. Irrigation. Plants shown in monsoon. Kharif. Composed organic matter, manure. Now the third one. Answer the following short question. Why are manure better than fertilizer? Here is it answer. Manure is better than fertilizer because of the following points. Number 1, it is cheaper than fertilizer. Number 2, it is easily available by the waste of animals. Number 3, it does not pollute earth. Okay. Now the second one is, what is crop rotation? The method in which different type of crop are grown instead of just one type of crop every year in the same field. This is called crop rotation. It helps in replenishment of soil with nitrogen. Okay. Now the third one is, name all the farming practices. Answer, name the farming practices are: Number 1, preparation of soil. Number 2, sowing of seed. Number 3, manure and fertilizer. Number 4, irrigation. Number 5, weed and pest control. Number 6, harvesting. And the last one is storage. Okay. Now question 4th. What are pisciculture and apiculture? Pisciculture, the rearing of fish on the large scale is called pisciculture. Apiculture, the rearing of honey bees on a large scale is called apiculture. Question number 5th. What is a crop? Explain the type of crop. Answer. When plants of same kind are grown on cultivated at the same place on a large scale is called its crop. There are two kind of crops. Number 1, Kharif. Number 2, Rabi crop. Number 1, Kharif crops. These are summer crops. These are planted around June and are harvested by October. Examples: paddy, jowar, cotton, pulses, etc. Number 2nd, Rabi crops. These are winter crops. These are planted around November and harvested by March and April. Example: pea, gram, mustard, wheat, etc. Now the short question is completed. Come on, long questions. Discuss method of irrigation. Explain how modern method of irrigation is better than traditional method of irrigation. Answer. The process of watering land to make it ready for agriculture is called irrigation. The modern method of irrigation are drip irrigation and sprinkler system. The modern method of irrigation are better than traditional method because it saves more water and also reduce the time and labor. This is why people prefer modern method on traditional method of irrigation. Now the second question is, explain method of sowing seeds. Answer is, the process of planting seeds in the soil is called sowing. Method of sowing seeds are: number 1, manually by using hand. Number 2, mechanically by using seed drills. Manually, seed are secreted by hands and it is called broadcasting. This method of seeds are secreted the field by the farmer in standing position. Now the mechanical. A seed drill has a funnel-shaped opening leading to long tubes, and these tubes are attached to a plug. Seeds are put into the funnel as the plug makes furrow in the soil. The seeds are deposited at right distance and right depth in the soil by the drill. Question number 3. What is soil preparation? What are its advantages? Answer is, preparation of soil includes plugging, leveling and manuring, which help in easy breathing of roots, prevention of soil erosion, maintaining fertility of soil and increase in crop yield. Loosened soil allow air passes. It helps the root to penetrate deeper. It helps the root penetrate easily into the soil. Okay. Now the question 4. Differentiate between manure and fertilizer. Okay. Now here is a table which differentiate manure and fertilizer. Manure. It is a natural substance obtained by decomposition. Fertilizer. A chemical fertilizer is a salt or organic compound. Number 2. A manure is not very rich in essential plant nutrients. Fertilizer. Fertilizers are rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium. Now on 3rd, the manure provide a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Number 4, a manure is absorbed slowly by the plant. Fertilizer, they are easily absorbed by the plant. Number 5, they can be prepared in the field. Fertilizer, they are prepared in factories. Example, compost. And fertilizer examples are urea, ammonium sulfate, potash, etc. Now on question 5. Write short note on Harvesting. What is harvesting? Write a short note on harvesting. Harvesting is the process of gathering a ripe crop from the field. Roping is the cutting of grain or pulse for harvest, typically using a sky, stickle or reaper. On smaller farmer with minimal mechanization, harvesting is the most labor-intensive activity of the growing season. Okay, now the second one is storage of grain. Crops are seasonal to provide food grains throughout the year, and at every place in the country these are kept in storage. On domestic level, food grain are stored in a small container made of tin coated iron or mud. On commercial scale, food grain such as wheat, rice, gram, etc. are stored either in gunny bag or in grain soils. Now on part C, animal husbandry. The rearing of animal on a large scale for food is called animal husbandry, in which care of farm animal by human genetic qualities and behavior considered to be advantage to human or further development. Good husbandry practice, that is GHP, are a set of rigorous standards whose prepare is ensure the breadth of the animal for the production and procurement of production for the human consumption. Now on part E, which is fill in the blanks with the word given below. Food is the most important requirement for all the living beings. The process of losing or turning the soil is called plugging. The plugged field may have big piece of soil called crumbs. Seeds are secreted by hands and it is called broadcasting. Excess of water or scarcity of water both are harmful for the crop. Sixth one is the water is allowed to flow in drop near the roots of the plant. Now on fifth part, which is true or false. The deeper a seed is planted, the better it is. True. Number 2, less supply of water of crop result in condition called water logging. False. Manure are better than fertilizer. False. The nutrient in the soil can be replenishment by crop rotation. True. The process of removing weeds is called weeding. True. In part G, match the following. Column A, column B. Apiculture, honeybee. Harvesting, reaping of crops. Manure, plant nutrient. Weed, unwanted plant. Fish, pisciculture. Here is an activity. Paste the picture of food we get from animal in the space below. Here you can paste the picture of food we get from animal. Okay. Now the chapter is over. All work is done in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you, class.